At the old factory in Hedehusene, prototype coordinator Michael Emborg has his office. As you can see, the walls of his office signals creativity. At the moment, Michael is working to improve a tent made out of Rockwool products. The tent was tested on Roskilde Festivalen with great success.
Michael, kan du sige noget om, hvordan lyden er herinde i teltet?
Lyden i teltet, den er faktisk rigtig god. Lyden er ligesom død, så man kan bruge det som en slags telefonboks i noget åbent kontorlandskab.
The tent is cool, dry and fire safe. Well suited for refugee camps. Soon a mock-up of the tent will be displayed at Copenhagen Business School. In October, the NGOs of the world will get the opportunity to see the tent. At the festival, Michael also tested a fridge out of Rockwool products. The fridge contains 8,000 liters and does not need external power.